In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an N26 account. We'll walk through the entire setup from downloading the app to adding your first funds so you can start mobile banking with confidence. Have your valid ID ready, a stable internet connection, and a few minutes to complete everything. Begin by downloading the official N26 app from your device's app store. Search for N26, check that the publisher is legitimate, and install the latest version. For the smoothest experience, keep your phone's operating system updated and make sure you have enough storage and a strong Wi-Fi or data signal. Open the app and start registration. Tap the prompt to create a new account, choose your country of residence and preferred language, and review the terms and privacy information. When you're comfortable, continue to the sign-up flow. If you're asked for permissions like camera or notifications, allow them so you can complete verification and receive account alerts. Enter your personal information carefully. Type your full legal name exactly as shown on your identification, along with your date of birth, residential address, and nationality. Add a working email address and mobile number you can access immediately since you'll receive verification codes. Double-check spellings, accents, and apartment numbers to avoid delays. Next, verify your identity. The app will guide you to scan a government-issued ID, such as a passport or national ID, and complete a quick liveness or selfie check. Find a well-lit spot, remove hats or reflective glasses, and hold your document steady within the frame. Follow the on-screen prompts until you get confirmation that your submission is received. Choose your account type. N26 typically offers a free plan and several paid plans with extra perks. Review the features and any monthly fees, then pick the option that fits your needs. You can usually start with a basic account and upgrade later. Decide whether you want a physical card, a virtual card, or both. Add security features to protect your account. Set a strong app passcode and enable biometric login if your phone supports it. Turn on two-factor authentication and push notifications for logins and transactions. If prompted to set a card PIN, memorize it and never share it. You can adjust these settings anytime in the app. Fund your account to get started. You can typically top up by bank transfer using your personal account details shown in the app or by other supported methods where available. Transfers may take some time to appear, so consider sending a small test amount first and include any required reference noted by the app. Explore optional features to get more from your account. Create budgeting spaces or savings goals, enable virtual cards for safer online purchases, and connect to mobile wallets for contactless payments where supported. Check spending insights, set spending limits, and customize notifications. That's it. Your N26 account is ready to use.